Yoga is not a workout, it is a work in. Really? Namaste. My name is Vijeta Tomar and I am a yoga coach and a founder of Pinaki Yoga. Nowadays, whatever you see on social media platforms are complexity of postures, which are just 5% of yoga. Yoga has its roots based on Indian philosophy, Upanishads, Puranas, and Bhagavad Gita. There are many schools of yoga and they have their own ways of practicing this art. There is a science behind meditation and several stages of samadhi. So there are some principles that practitioners need to follow. Yoga is used to be a different tradition that has gone through multiple stages of development and evolution. There are many misconceptions about yoga which people are not aware about, and there is many more things to learn than just a TTC course. From last 2.5 years, I read 100 plus books and theories based on yoga, meditation, tantra, ancient scriptures, Indian philosophy, and ancient yogis. And now I'm putting all my knowledge about this beautiful foundation of yoga into my upcoming course of Roots and Wings of Yoga only on Graphy platform. Join me in the live sessions and learn everything about its roots and foundation and learn how you can pursue it as a career. All you have to do is just click on the link below or just go to my bio and register yourself. There is limited seats of registration, so do not waste your time. Go and just register yourself for this upcoming course. I'm going to see you in the live sessions. Enroll now.